In the tumultuous aftermath of World War II, as nations grappled with the devastation of war and the economic turmoil that followed, a beacon of hope emerged: the International Monetary Fund, IMF. Born from the ashes of financial catastrophe, the IMF was conceived in a conference room in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, in 1944. Delegates from allied and neutral nations gathered to discuss a solution to the global economic instability that threatened to plunge the world back into darkness. The crisis was palpable. The Great Depression had demonstrated the fragility of the global economy, and the chaos of war had exacerbated these issues. Currencies were unstable, economies were in shambles, and trade was at a standstill. The action was bold and visionary. Proposed by the United States, the IMF was designed to provide a stable monetary system, foster international trade, and promote economic cooperation among nations. The IMF was to be an independent organization, with member countries contributing funds to a common pool. The consequence was profound. The IMF, with its headquarters in Washington, D.C., began operations in 1945. Over the decades, it has played a crucial role in global finance, providing loans to struggling economies, offering advice on economic policies, and facilitating international trade. Through its various programs and initiatives, the IMF has helped nations recover from economic crises, from the Latin American debt crisis of the 1980s to the Asian financial crisis of the 1990s. It has been a bulwark against economic disaster, a testament to the power of international cooperation and the shared pursuit of prosperity. Yet, the IMF is not without its critics. Some argue that its policies can be too austere, leading to economic hardship for the most vulnerable. Others question its role in perpetuating global economic inequality. Regardless of these debates, the IMF remains a powerful symbol of hope and resilience, a testament to the human spirit's determination to build a better, more stable, and more prosperous world. As we stand on the precipice of yet another economic storm, the IMF stands ready, its mission as relevant today as it was in the ashes of war.